This tutorial is on how to fill in a power of attorney on TLT format for its use in El Salvador. The advantages of using a TLT format power of attorney is that no notary public legalization is required, nor does it require apostille or consular legalization. The document will be valid as is, just with the signature of the grantor. This kind of power of attorney is useful for trademarks only and for non-contentious matter. However, it will not be useful when it comes to trade names, to slogans, or to contentious matters. In these kinds of cases, we will require instead a regular power of attorney, which means a power of attorney that is notarized and legalized or apostilled. To fill in a TLT format power of attorney, first you will need the applicant's legal name, second, the applicant's legal address, third, the name of the legal officer who will be signing on behalf of the applicant if the applicant is a corporation, and fourth, the date of filling in and granting the power of attorney. The first thing to fill in is section number 2, the part that says name. Here you will add the complete legal name of the applicant or grantor. Should it be an individual, you fill in, for example, John Smith, or should it be a corporation, you could put in Grand Business Ltd. Then you will be required to fill in the applicant's legal address. Now we jump to section number 6. This section will contain the name of the officer who will sign on behalf of the applicant or grantor. If the applicant is an individual, you will simply repeat the name set forth in the applicant-grantor section, for instance, John Smith. However, if the applicant is a corporation, then this will be the name of the officer who signs on behalf of the company. In this example, Mr. Adam Smith is the Chief Executive Officer who signs documents on behalf of Grand Business Limited. This section contains the date of execution of the power of attorney. This section contains the capacities which are granted to our firm. Please do not modify, as any modification may undermine the capacities that we have to act on your behalf. Once the document is filled in, please proceed to print it on a blank piece of paper. The size of the sheet does not matter. However, if it takes more than 2 pages, please print it back and forth on the same sheet. Once the document is printed, you are required to sign in section number 6. A handwritten signature is required. Please use blue ink, and please do not substitute it for a seal, facsimile, or any other kind of signature other than a handwritten signature. Once this is done, proceed to send it to our offices. Remember, there is no need of a notary public for the validity of these kinds of powers of attorney. There is no need of consular legalization, and there is no need of apostille either. The address to which you may send it is set forth on this slide, and you can also find it in our website.